Are you ready to be amazed by the incredible world of cats? From their mysterious past to their strange habits, there are so many amazing things about these furry felines that you probably didn't know. So get ready for some crazy cat facts that will blow your mind. Number 10. Cats can't sweat. Unlike humans, cats don't have sweat glands all over their bodies, making them super susceptible to overheating. That's why you'll often see them lying in sunny spots or on top of refrigerators where they can cool off through the metal. To prevent heat stroke, make sure to provide plenty of fresh water and shade during hot weather. Otherwise, things can get pretty toasty for your kitty. Number 9, they can't smile. Although cats may seem like they're smiling when they purr, it's actually just their whiskers showing. Their upper lip muscles are too weak to curl up into an actual smile. So next time you see your cat with a whisker mustache, remember it's not a grin. But hey, who needs a smile when you've got 9 lives, right? Number 8, cat saliva can help detect diseases. In recent years, scientists have discovered that cats naturally produce an antibody called MGL2, which is found in their saliva and urine. This antibody can fight against several diseases, including lung cancer and kidney disease. Researchers are now looking into ways to use this antibody in humans for early disease detection. Who knew our feline friends could be so life-saving? Number 7. Cats in ancient Egypt were mummified. In ancient Egypt, cats were considered sacred animals and were often mummified when they died. The process of mummification was complex and time-consuming, involving the removal of internal organs, embalming and wrapping the body in bandages. This treatment was usually reserved for important people and animals that were associated with them. Cats were highly valued for their ability to control rodents, and it was believed that they could help guide the dead to the afterlife. Over 400 cat mummies have been found in archaeological sites in Egypt, indicating the widespread reverence for these animals at the time. These mummified cats are not only fascinating from a historical perspective, but also offer insight into the beliefs and practices of one of the world's most ancient civilizations. Number 6, each cat has a unique nose print. Just like humans have unique fingerprints, each cat has a unique nose print. The nose pads of cats are made up of a rough, textured surface that is covered in millions of scent receptors. These receptors allow cats to smell things much better than we can. And just like our fingerprints, no 2 cats have the same nose print. So if you ever find a stray cat, you can use its nose print to identify it. There are even websites and databases that allow you to upload your cat's nose print so that you can keep track of it if it gets lost. Number 5, cats can't breathe while grooming. Cats spend a significant amount of time grooming themselves, which helps keep their fur clean and free of parasites. However, they cannot breathe while they are licking themselves. The act of grooming involves the cat's tongue pressing against its nostrils, which blocks their airflow. This means that cats must stop breathing while they groom to avoid choking on their own saliva. To compensate for this, cats have a special flap of skin that covers their windpipe while they lick themselves, preventing any accidents. Once they are done grooming, the flap moves away from their windpipe and they can breathe normally again. This is an amazing adaptation that allows cats to keep themselves clean without having to worry about suffocating. Number 1, their ears can move independently. One of the most fascinating things about cats is their ability to move their ears independently of each other. This means that they can turn their ears in different directions at the same time, which allows them to pinpoint the source of any sounds. This ability is particularly useful for cats because it allows them to locate prey and also avoid potential danger. For example, if a cat hears a bird chirping, it can turn its head towards the sound to try and locate the bird. Similarly, if it hears a predator approaching, it can quickly turn its head in the direction of the threat and run away. This independent ear movement is also what allows cats to meow at different directions at the same time. If you have ever seen a group of cats meowing at each other, you will have noticed that each cat is facing in a different direction. This is because each cat is trying to locate the source of the noise and figure out who is making it. Overall, the ability to move their ears independently is a very useful adaptation for cats, and one of the things that makes them such amazing hunters. Number 3, cats were domesticated before dogs. Although dogs are man's best friend, they weren't the first animal to be domesticated. Cats were domesticated about 4,000 years ago in ancient Egypt, making them one of the earliest domesticated species. Initially, cats were revered as sacred animals and were mostly kept as pets by the wealthy. It wasn't until much later that they became popular among the general population. On the other hand, dogs were domesticated around 15,000 years ago, much earlier than cats, but they were initially used as working animals rather than pets. They were used for hunting, herding, and guarding, and it wasn't until much later that they became popular as household pets. The domestication of cats and dogs is a testament to the long history of human interaction with animals. These two species have become some of the most popular pets in the world, and their domestication has had a profound impact on human society. Number 1, they have 32 muscles in each ear. Cats have a total of 32 muscles in each ear, giving them the ability to move their ears independently and precisely. These muscles are attached to the pinna of the cat's ear, the visible part that sticks up on top of their head. With these muscles, cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees in any direction. This allows them to pinpoint the location of sounds, which is helpful for both hunting and avoiding predators. The muscles in a cat's ears are controlled by the brainstem and the cerebellum. When the cat hears a sound, the brainstem sends signals to the muscles in the ears to move them in the direction of the sound. The cerebellum then coordinates the movement of the muscles to ensure that the ears are moving precisely. The ability to move their ears independently is a unique feature of cats and is one of the things that makes them such efficient hunters. Number 1, the oldest cat on record lived to be 38 years old. The oldest cat on record was a domestic shorthair named Creme Puff, who lived to be 38 years old. Creme Puff was born on August 3, 1997 and died on June 2005. According to Guinness World Records, she was a beloved pet who enjoyed a comfortable life with her owners in Austin, Texas. Throughout her long life, Creme Puff received regular veterinary checkups and was fed a diet of high-quality cat food. Her owners attributed her long life to her healthy diet and active lifestyle. She was known for her playful nature and intelligence, and she was able to learn tricks and adapt to new situations well into her old age. The story of Creme Puff is an inspiration to all cat lovers and shows that with proper care and attention, cats can live long and happy lives. If you want to see another crazy fact video, click the link on screen now. With that, thanks for watching. Until next time.